What's up, good people? What's up, Legendary Slim on twos? So look, hey, shout out to Engineer Adapters. They had this contest going on for, I think it was Veterans Day. You post about your service, and whoever get the most likes get a basically like a credit. And shout out to them. They gave a credit to everyone that was actually in the contest. So I was able to get my Headlight LED mounting ring and the 7-inch headlight. So here it is. It comes like in. Hey, again, I'm no mechanic. I just try to do this stuff just to do it. Okay, so we're gonna try to put this thing together, and then later we'll put on my bike. It's been a minute. I had this for a couple months now, and just not getting around to do it. So here we go. It comes with, I guess, the big mounting ring. I call this a smaller mounting ring. And this is the cover to go over the headlight. Comes with 3 springs and some more screws. So I believe we just put the springs in here. Not sure if you can see it. Boom, boom. Right. So we're gonna put these screws in here. Then they basically just go into. Okay, that's easy enough. So they basically go into the springs. Not sure if you can see that. And then we just tighten down with a 4mm head screw, right? So then we go all the way down till it touches. Let's see. Excuse me. Yep, there we go. There we go. So we just keep going all the way down to a touch. Again, I'm a rookie with this stuff. I'm trying to do it evenly on each side. So, trying to get it to touch just barely. I'll probably speed this up or something. All right. So, that's what it looks like. All right. So then we take the headlight. There's some little notches on the back of the headlight, and they have to correspond with these notches right there. So no. Man. It's like a puzzle. All right, give me a second. All right, sorry about that. Sorry, sort of figured that out. Had to have something to set this on so it can fit flush, and it's some little notches, which I'll see if I can show you. Like right in here, the light fits right in 3 of those notches. I doubt you've seen that, but okay. Then we take this mounting ring, put it on the top. Figure out. Make sure it lines up. Take the included screws. Boom. Let's get this back so you can see me. Put all 3 screws in there. Okay, don't tighten that up too much. Then really, I think this is it. Then we'll go to the bike. I'm really excited. This is my second major mod that I did on my bike. I did the handlebars. I did the JSRs. 12 inch, whatever they are. JSR. So this is my second one. My next one I really want to do. Gotta add some Bluetooth music. And I think I'm gonna tighten it up too much. And just like that, boom. We're good to go. Not sure if you can see it. So part 2 will be putting it onto the bike. I may go in the garage. It's a little dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean it up. So also, I have 3 smaller screws. I'm assuming when I get ready to put it on the bike, I will figure out. Oh yeah, I think I see. Oh. I think the smaller ones go here and the longer ones go in here. Yeah. You see how that's sticking out right there? I think these hold that down. And the longer ones will go in this one. So I switched that out, but overall, I don't know if this was helpful or not. But yeah, part 2 coming up. All right, just a quick update. I did have the longer screws. You can't really see it. So you have these long ones, then you have shorter ones. The shorter ones go into the mounting ring. So you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 of them that goes into the mounting ring, and they're short. That way they don't protrude past this little open area here. And I assume that's for when we put it on the bike, we don't have any kind of interference. So recap, it comes in 3 separate pieces. You have a bit mounting ring, which is this, right? And it comes with 3 springs, which we have 1, 2, 3. So it's cutouts already here. It's very easy. I did make it a little difficult, but it is very easy. So put them all in. We're good to go. Again, I'm no professional, straight rookie, but I do like the way this look. What do you think? Thank you, Engineering Adapters. I do have to order some more stuff, so yeah, but appreciate it. And we're gonna put this on the bike. What's up, good people? Hey, look, Legendary Slim. I'm gonna do a quick video on removing the front cowl fairing, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so check it out. Excuse my garage, by the way. So right here, well, let's see. Can't really see it, but right behind here is 2 screws. I already think I got them halfway done, but it's 2 screws. I can't show you, but it's 2 screws there. Same thing on this side. Right back there is 2 more screws. Right? Then you come here to your speakers. Come here to your speakers. Take the face off your speakers. As you see, I'm working on something. But you'll have a screw here. So you'll also take that screw out. Take the grill off. Take that off. Right? Oh. Come here. I'll take all of these out. I just left one in just to help hold it in place. Then you come here, which I already started. Take this out. Take this out. Well, I don't think you need to do this one, but just take both of them off. I take that front part off, and then this will basically come off like that. It's super easy. I thought it was really hard without even trying. Then I discovered it was easy for the most part. So give it a shot. Like you say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws and the ones on the windshield. So it's not bad. Hey, give it a shot. I know that was a quick video. Didn't show you much, but you get the gist.